I'm Delfina Sarduan. I'm 28 years old. I say 34 years old. A graduate of Bachelor of Science in Criminology. Um, based in my experience, at a foreign country in Japan, at 3 years experience as a cattle raising, and here in local local here experience as a nanny. I do it cooking, kitchen cooking, ironing, and cleaning house, and change the pampers, and also feeding, and also bathing the babies